In this recorded demo, we'll walk you through Harmony, Paymate's cloud-based payroll and HR solution for organizations across the US, Canada, and Latin America. This demo will focus on Harmony. If you're looking for information about our payroll services, please reach out to our sales team. We'd be happy to help. We'll cover a lot, from payroll and HR to time tracking, scheduling, employee self-service, integrations, and more. To save you time, feel free to jump to the chapters you're most interested in using the timestamps provided. This video might answer many of your questions, and it might raise a few new ones. That's totally expected. We'd love to schedule a one-on-one deep dive with you to walk you through the details and talk about how Harmony could work for your team. Feel free to share this video with anyone on your team who might be interested or have questions, including your ERP consultant. And just a quick note, features and pricing may change, and we're always releasing new functionality, so for the most current information, please don't hesitate to contact us. Before we jump into the individual modules, let's take a moment to talk about how Harmony is built and what makes it so adaptable for different organizations. Harmony is made up of fully integrated modules, including payroll, HR, time and attendance, scheduling, and more. You can add on modules at any time as your needs grow. What's powerful is that all of these modules share a single database, so if you enter or update employee information in one area, it's instantly reflected across the entire platform. No double entry, no delays. Harmony works across industries, whether you're running a construction company, a nonprofit, or anything in between. You can set up user-definable rules and workflows to match your internal processes, no matter how simple or complex. And it's scalable too. Whether you have 30 employees or 3,000, one company or 10 entities, Harmony grows with you. And when it comes to working in your preferred language, Harmony supports English, French, and Spanish. Each user can choose the language they're most comfortable with, and the system will adjust automatically. Since Harmony is cloud-based, you can access it securely from anywhere, anytime. We've also built in two-factor authentication for extra security. Harmony gives you full control over who has access to what. You can give, manage, and restrict access to any module for any employee. Even external users like third-party consultants can be added with controlled permissions, so they see only what they need to. And you're never on your own. Harmony comes with a full set of self-serve resources, including a searchable knowledge base, a detailed user manual, and even Amity, our AI chatbot available 24/7 to answer your questions right in the system. So with that foundation in mind, let's dive into the Harmony modules, starting with what we're known for, payroll. This is where Harmony really shines, because while a lot of systems can handle basic payroll, Harmony is built for complex payrolls. Multiple locations, union rules, custom earnings, no problem. We're known for making the complicated feel easy. Let's start with the Payroll Wizard, your built-in step-by-step guide, like a checklist that makes sure nothing gets missed. You can move through the steps at your own pace, and if you need to revisit something before finalizing, no problem. Let's start with the Payroll Wizard, your built-in step-by-step guide, like a checklist that makes sure nothing gets missed. You can move through the steps at your own pace, and if you need to revisit something before finalizing, no problem. You can go back anytime until you're ready to commit the run to history. Step 1. We set the foundation. You just select which group of employees you're paying, your pay period, and your pay date. This step makes sure you're working with the right people and the right timeline, so you start off on the right foot. Step 2. Hours and timesheets. When it comes to hours, Harmony is flexible. You can pull time directly from our time and attendance module, bring in files from a third-party system, or even import from a good old Excel sheet. Whatever your workflow looks like, we can work with it. Step 3. Now here's where the magic happens. Harmony takes all the pieces of the puzzle,
time, earnings, deductions, benefits, taxes, bonuses, bank accounts, and brings it all together into a single calculation step. This is where Harmony calculates gross to net with absolute precision. And it doesn't stop there. We've built in smart check-in alerts to make sure every detail lines up just right. If something looks off, maybe someone's missing a pay rate or a banking detail, Harmony will flag it before you commit, so you can fix it on the spot. Step 4. Once the numbers look good, you can email pay stubs directly to your employees. No printing, no stuffing envelopes, it's fast, secure, and employees get their pay information right away. With the employee self-service portal, your employees can also log in and download their pay stubs at any time. Step 5. Harmony creates your direct deposit file. You just upload it to your bank and payments are handled. Harmony supports ACH banks across the US and is compatible with all major Canadian financial institutions, so you can process payroll no matter where you're located. Step 6 are your reports. This is where payroll administrators usually spend a lot of time, but Harmony makes it easy. You get everything from a payroll journal to deposit registers, and even an approval sheet that shows all the source deductions. Perfect if you need a manager's sign-off before you continue. Finalize is step 8. Once everything looks good, you finalize the payroll and Harmony posts it into history. From that point, it's locked in as part of your records. Want to tie your payroll into your ERP or accounting system? Harmony does that too. You can review our integration section of this video for more information. Feel free to jump over there whenever you're ready. That means no duplicate data entry, and your finance team gets clean, accurate numbers right away. So whether your payroll is straightforward or one of those ones that make other systems nervous, Harmony is built to handle it with ease, accuracy, and confidence. Now, outside of the payroll wizard, Harmony also gives you powerful reporting tools. You've got all the standard reports you'd expect, but you can also create custom dynamic reports and export them to Excel with one click. That makes it really easy to slice and dice your data the way that you want, whether that's for audits, budgeting, or just answering employee questions.
When year-end rolls around, we make it as smooth as possible. The year-end wizard walks you through everything, and we provide a full written guide, screenshots and all. Let the system handle the admin work for you, automatically setting up your pay schedule and taking into consideration of any accruals that have to be carried over to the next year. We also run free training sessions on how to handle year-end, and any new updates you should know about, including a dedicated Q&A session at the end to make sure your questions are answered. And when tax tables change, Harmony updates them automatically. Just click a button when you're ready and you're good to go.
And of course, when it comes to tax forms, Harmony's got you covered, whether you're in Canada or the US. For US businesses, Harmony partners with Atrix to make tax form creation and filing a breeze. Whether it's W-2s, 1099s, or other federal and state forms, Atrix walks you through it step by step, from creation to e-filing, all in one seamless workflow. For Canadian organizations, Harmony lets you generate all your key year-end forms, T4s, T4As, RL1s, and even ROEs right inside the system. You can export them in CRA-compatible XML format for easy uploading at your own pace. Everything's compliant and ready to go. No third-party software required. No matter where you're running payroll, Harmony handles the heavy lifting, keeps you compliant, and makes sure year-end doesn't feel like a year-long project. Before you run your first payroll in Harmony, you'll set up the engine behind it. And this is where Harmony gives you serious control and flexibility, without the headache. Let's start with payroll categories. Whether it's earnings, deductions, or benefits, you can define your own categories, name them how you want, and set the rules behind how they behave. And because we know compliance matters, each category can be mapped to the correct tax form box, whether that's a T4 box in Canada or a W-2 field in the US. Every employee has their own information that are specifically for payroll purposes. You can set default pay rates and percentages for each employee, and even build in rules to automatically adjust those rates based on things like years of service or pay periods. Each employee can have one or more bank accounts set up, and you can split their pay between them by percentage or flat dollar amount. It's great for savings plans, joint accounts, or just giving employees more choice. You can easily store and manage employee tax forms like TD1s, TD1Xs, and W4s right in their profile. Everything's tracked and ready when you need it. With up to 8 dimensions that you can define, including departments, locations, projects, tasks, cost codes, branches, or anything else, you can also allocate payroll costs by percentage, dollar amount, or hours or units, depending on how you need to break things down for reporting, job costing, or budgeting. New dimensions can also be imported to fully streamline your processes and eliminate manual entry, saving you time and money from redundant data entry. For unionized environments, Harmony supports Paygrids that can vary by job type, seniority, or step level, and it knows how to apply the right rate at the right time for an unlimited number of them. So even if you have 1 union or 10, Harmony can help you with making your payroll easier. So whether your payroll is simple or a bit more layered, Harmony's setup is flexible enough to handle it all and smart enough to make it feel effortless once it's up and running.
Let's dive into the time and attendance module of Harmony. Tracking employees' time can be a real headache if your tools aren't doing the heavy lifting for you. And that's where Harmony steps in. Whether you're managing a crew in the field, a team in the office, or a bit of both, Harmony is flexible, reliable, and built to make your life easier. Harmony gives you a whole bunch of ways to track time because one size never fits all. Whether it's manual entry, clocking in and out using the built-in bar, importing hours, or using our web terminal or mobile app, we've got you covered. Employees can clock in from just about any device, desktop, tablets, mobile. If it's got a browser, you're good to go. With their own secure login, employees can hop into Harmony, clock in and out, view hours, request time off, all the essentials. It's simple, clean, and works wherever they are with an internet connection. Now, for offices, job sites, or break rooms, we've got a web terminal that works on any browser. It can even be pinned to your desktop for quick and easy access. Employees can punch in using a unique 6-digit PIN and can shoot real-time messages that they can see when they clock in or clock out. Maybe a reminder about safety gear or the daily huddle. And no need to worry about staff forgetting to log in and out. It does that automatically after each use. Our terminal app is perfect for crews in the field. When the team clocks in with a PIN, it snaps a quick picture photo too. It keeps everyone honest and everything transparent. Even if they're working somewhere with no signal, no problem. The app works offline and syncs everything back to Harmony when it's back online again. You can also track time against specific projects and tasks, so you know exactly where your hours are going. Harmony even auto-allocates any overtime hours to the right project and after timesheets are approved. It goes directly into the payroll module, which saves your admins a ton of time and erases any headaches. Speaking of overtime, that's handled automatically, whether it's daily, weekly, or tied to holidays. You can even set up tiered levels, like time and a half for the first 2 extra hours, double time after that. Employees can choose to bank those hours too, at 1, 1.5, or however you'd like to define it. Harmony also has straightforward scheduling tools. Just choose when and where people are working, and the system will handle the rest. You can extend the schedule and make any last-minute changes that you want to. You and your team can also view schedules in a variety of ways, as a whole calendar, a daily view, or even a time view. Time off is easy to manage too. The color-coded vacation calendar makes it super clear who's off and when. You can also filter it by department or location. You can set up multiple types of leaves like vacation, sick, bereavement, and paid time off, all with their own rules. You can also set up your own blackout dates to block time off during peak periods and customize visibility so teams can see when their coworkers are off, including full approval histories, so there's no second guessing who did what. For reporting, you've got standard reports and also exception reports to identify the odd ones out. But you also have the option to customize your own reports and export anything to Excel for further manipulation. Notifications can be triggered automatically and sent via email with your own email templates. Want to shoot a quick manual message to a group? Done. It's all built in.
Now, let's take a look at the HR module. Harmony's HR module brings everything you need into one place, so you can ditch the spreadsheets and binders and finally get some clarity around your data. Right when you log in, the dashboard gives you a clean, real-time view of what's going on, filtered by department, date range, or whatever view you need. You'll see key KPIs, upcoming dates, vacation balances, and even company announcements. It's your one-stop shop for everything you need. First impressions matter, and Harmony helps you create onboarding and offboarding processes that are consistent and efficient. You can define multiple workflows based on department, employee type, or anything else you want. Add checklists and documents so your new hires can see even before their first day. And once an employee is set up, Harmony can automatically push their tax forms and banking details straight to payroll to eliminate the guesswork and store all the information in a single place. Each employee has their own digital filing folder, and I mean everything's in there. Personal info, emergency contacts, employment history, certifications, even professional memberships. Need to store documents like offer letters or work permits? It's all safely housed in one spot. No more digging through email chains or dusty cabinets. Since Harmony is available online, you can access everything about everyone at any time. It's easily accessible, yet still secure. Benefits can be tracked right inside Harmony, including contribution amounts from both employer and employee sides, and any dependents enrolled too. Employees get a shopping cart experience to pick and choose the benefits they want. It's intuitive, clear, and cuts way down on the back and forth. They can even download claim forms and benefit booklets directly from the system, which your HR team will definitely appreciate. Performance reviews don't have to be a pain. Harmony lets you build evaluations with competency groups, goals, and your own ranking system, so you're evaluating everyone on a fair, consistent scale. Whether it's annual, quarterly, or ad hoc, it's all managed in one place. Tracking workplace incidents is a must, and Harmony's got a detailed health and safety form to log events, witnesses, outcomes, and all relevant details. It's comprehensive and ensures you're covered if anything ever comes up. Each record can also be linked to an employee for easy and accessible reporting. With built-in training tools, you can track progress, assign materials, and even give trainees access to documents anytime. There's a separate space for trainers and trainees to collaborate, share documents, notes, whatever they need. You can even link to your own separate system, yet still keep track of progress and completion history in Harmony. Each completed training course will add skills to an employee's arsenal, so you can make informed decisions when it comes to your skilled workforce. Harmony integrates with JazzHR to help with your hiring. Post to job boards, manage resumes, and streamline the whole recruiting process, from job posting to starting the onboarding process.
Let's look at something your team is really going to appreciate: Harmony's employee self-service module. It's designed to make life easier, not just for HR and payroll, but for your entire organization. And the best part? It's ready to go right out of the box, no setup needed. As soon as employees are in the system, they can log in securely and access everything they need anytime, anywhere. Need a copy of a pay stub? Easy. They can do it themselves, no emails, no waiting. And if anything's pending or needs their attention, it'll show up right in their very own to-do list. They can enroll in benefit plans through the same portal with a simple shopping cart style experience and review what's available to them. And of course, they can manage their own profile, update their address, change emergency contacts without needing to go through HR. Employees can view their vacation and leave balances, see requested history, and submit new time off requests in just a few clicks. And the best part? This module ties right into the rest of Harmony, whether it's payroll, HR, or time and attendance. So the moment something is updated, it flows through the system, no syncing, no double entry, and no confusion. Whether you're an employee trying to check a balance, a manager approving time off, or an admin keeping everything secure, Harmony's employee self-service module takes the guesswork out and puts the control back in your hands.
We're all doing more from our phones these days, so it only makes sense that Harmony comes with a mobile app that keeps up. Available on both Android and iOS, the Harmony mobile app puts essential tools right in the palm of your hand, no matter where you are. The app doesn't live on its own. It complements the rest of the Harmony system. Everything you do in the app connects directly to Payroll, HR, and time and attendance, instantly and securely. Need to start your shift? Just open the app and clock in and out with a tap. It's quick, simple, and it works great for teams on the move. Geofencing is also available so you can trust that your employees are physically where they're needed before punching in. Going away for the long weekend? Submit a vacation request right from your phone. You can check your balances and track approvals too, all without logging into a computer. Need to update your home address or change a phone number? No problem. Employees can update their own contact details straight from the app, and it flows right into their profile in Harmony, with the right people approving the change since it impacts other modules. So whether your team's at the office, on the floor, or out in the field, the Harmony mobile app keeps them connected and keeps everything running smoothly.
Let's talk about integrations. Harmony is designed to talk to and listen to other systems that you already use, whether it's your accounting software, timekeeping system, or even spreadsheets. It all works together to make payroll run like clockwork. We've got some integrations ready to go right out of the box, and if you need something a bit more tailored, no problem. We can customize it to fit your process. Harmony already connects seamlessly with platforms like Sage Intacct, SAP Business One, Microsoft Dynamics, and many more. Firstly, Harmony can pull in data from other systems like time clocks, attendance software, job cost applications, and even good old-fashioned spreadsheets. This means you don't have to enter things twice, and you're not stuck with punching in numbers manually, saving you tons of time. Once everything's processed and ready to roll, Harmony pushes data out where it needs to go, whether that's your ERP or accounting software, your general ledger, simple or multi-dimensional, or for job costing. It can also send the right info into your bank for direct deposit or to your benefit providers for deductions and coverage updates. At the end of the day, payroll only runs smoothly when all of the moving parts are talking to each other. Harmony makes this happen reliably, automatically, and with as little friction as possible. If you've got a specific system in mind, let's chat. We'll show you how Harmony can plug right in.
Now that we've covered all the features of Harmony, let's talk implementation. We get it. Rolling out a new system can feel like a big project. But with Paymate, we've got a smooth, flexible process that's designed to work with your timeline, not the other way around. Whether you're implementing Harmony before, during, or after an ERP switch, we can make it work. We've done it all. And if you're not changing your ERP, even better, we can just plug right in. Every project starts with a quick kickoff call, just to introduce the teams, walk through the timeline, and get everyone on the same page. Then comes the discovery phase. And that's where we take a deep dive into your current processes, what's working, what's not, and whether any custom work might help you get more out of the system. Once we know what's needed, we start moving your data over. Our team can handle the heavy lifting, or if your team prefers to be more hands-on, you can use our import templates and we'll guide you through it. We go through each template with you in detail, so you know you're filling it out right the first time. And don't worry, we've got checks and balances built in at every step to make sure everything is accurate and complete. Need to bring in history? No problem. Whether it's a year-to-date summary or a full pay period by pay period breakdown, we can import that at any time during the year. Before going live, we'll run Harmony side by side with your current system, just to make sure everything's set up properly. Usually, we do 1 or 2 cycles in parallel, but if you want more, we'll keep going until your team's completely comfortable. And once everything checks out, we move you into the live environment. At that point, your team is trained, prepped, and ready to hit the ground running. So whether you're rolling out Harmony as a standalone solution or as a part of a bigger system upgrade, we'll walk you through every step with as much support as you need. We hope this demo gave you a good sense of what Harmony can do and how it might fit into your organization. As you've seen, Harmony is flexible, scalable, and designed to handle everything from simple payroll to complex multi-entity setups, with HR, time tracking, and more all under one roof. When you're ready for a deeper dive, just reach out to us. We'd love to show you more and answer any questions that you might have. We look forward to connecting with you soon.